Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add Soundboard to Discord mobile. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open any web browser on your device and then search for Discord. And you have to log into your account. Okay, so this one. Now click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen and then select the desktop site. You have to enable this one and then click on open Discord on your browser. Okay. And then right here, just have to click on the three dots again and then disable the desktop site. Okay. Now, after that, you just have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Okay, this one right here, and then go ahead and select your server. So I have my own server right here. Just have to click on it and then click on this arrow that is facing downward. And then you would be able to see the server settings. So go ahead and then click on it. Okay, so from here, you'd be able to see the soundboard. So you just have to click on it as well. And then you'd be able to see the upload sound. So just click on it. Now I'd be able to choose a file. So just click on the browse option and then select files. And then you'd be able to see your files right here. So just go ahead and click on your audio or sound and select the sound that you want to upload to your soundboard. Okay, after that, you have to create your sound name and the related emoji as well. So let's try to name this sound as labs. And for the related emoji, let's try to search for labs. So you can use the search bar to search for the related emoji. Okay, after that, just have to click on it and then you'd be able to upload your sound to your soundboard. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.